Good morning, birds. What a lovely, happy place. Our beautiful, wonderful swallows have been coming back to us for the last 30 years. There is no greater judge than animals. Their adjudication is totally uncomplicated and unbiased. Like these fledglings, 30 generations on, what a wonderful place to be brought up, and yet... You know, in our life we get attacked by negativity, unpleasantness, and yet our animals here protect us and give us huge positive energy. They are our protectors, and we protect them.